Hey guys, so today my dad's gonna go on an explore. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Boom! And guess what, guys? I love you guys so much. Mwah.
Capturing this snow blizzard storm here. Breeze really blowing hard. Telling it's a blizzard storm. It's a little baby come out playing in it. Look at baby, the girl playing in the snow. Well, here we are, get our Christmas present from Mother Nature and Father Nature. Give us a real Christmas present. I know a lot of people love this and some people don't, but I'm enjoying the beautiful snow today. Snow plow pushing snow. Snow plow them out on the road busy. This is what it is like here in Minnesota when it's snowing. Beautiful to see how nature function. I hope you guys enjoy this one today and give this video a like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of content to share with you, and you can also comment and tell me some things that you would like me to upload. Really windy here. Please like my video, share, comment. I'm sharing this snow day here in Minnesota. with all my subscribers across the world. Here is a snow plow clearing the road. This is what it is like here. Cleaning snow off the street. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share,